Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's podcast, we're going to discuss an important role in sales and marketing, the brand promoter. A brand promoter helps create awareness about a brand, attract customers, explain products or services, support promotional campaigns, and encourage customer interest. But what exactly does a brand promoter do? What are the roles and responsibilities? What are the daily duties? And what skills and qualities are required? Let's understand everything in simple language. First, let's understand what is a brand promoter. A brand promoter is a professional who represents and promotes a company's brand, products, or services to potential customers. In simple words, a brand promoter creates customer awareness, communicates the benefits of a product or brand, interacts with customers, and helps generate interest in sales. The exact responsibilities depend on the company, product, industry, and promotional campaign. Now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities of a brand promoter. One of the main responsibilities is promoting the brand. The brand promoter communicates information about the brand, products, services, offers, and campaigns to potential customers. Another important responsibility is customer interaction. They approach customers, understand their interests, answer questions, and provide relevant information. Another major duty is product demonstration. Depending on the product, they may demonstrate how a product works and explain its features, benefits, and usage. Another important responsibility is creating brand awareness. They help customers become familiar with the brand and its products through direct interaction and promotional activities. Another duty is supporting marketing campaigns. They may participate in promotional events, product launches, exhibitions, retail campaigns, roadshows, and other marketing activities. Another important responsibility is generating leads. They may identify interested customers and collect appropriate contact information for further sales follow-up according to company procedures. Another duty is supporting sales activities. Although the primary focus may be brand promotion, brand promoters can also help customers understand products and encourage purchases. Another important responsibility is explaining offers and promotions. They communicate discounts, promotional schemes, product bundles, loyalty programs, or other offers according to company guidelines. Another duty is maintaining promotional displays. In retail environments, they may arrange products, banners, posters, brochures, demonstration areas, and other promotional materials. Another important responsibility is collecting customer feedback. They may report customer opinions, questions, preferences, and common concerns to the marketing or sales team. Another duty is maintaining activity reports. They may record customer interactions, leads, demonstrations, promotional activities, sales support, or campaign results. Now, let's discuss the daily work of a brand promoter. A typical day may begin by checking the assigned location, products, promotional materials, campaign targets, and daily activities. During the day, the brand promoter interacts with customers, introduces the brand, explains products, conducts demonstrations, and answers questions. They may also distribute brochures or promotional materials, collect leads, maintain displays, and communicate current offers. They may work in busy retail locations, events, exhibitions, shopping malls, or other promotional environments. At the end of the day, they may record their activities, report customer feedback, update leads, and share campaign information with their supervisor. The exact routine depends on the campaign and organization. Now let's talk about the skills required to become a brand promoter. The first important skill is communication. A brand promoter needs to explain brand and product information clearly and confidently. The second important skill is customer engagement. They should know how to approach customers politely and create a positive interaction. Another important skill is product knowledge. They should understand the features, benefits, pricing, usage, and important details of the products they promote. Presentation skills are also useful, especially when demonstrating products or representing a brand at events. Another important skill is persuasion. They should be able to communicate the value of a product effectively without making misleading claims. Sales skills can also be useful because some brand promoter roles include sales targets or direct sales support. Another useful skill is lead generation. They should be able to identify potential customers and record relevant information correctly. Basic computer and mobile app skills can also be useful for reporting, lead management, and campaign tracking. Now let's discuss the qualities of a good brand promoter. A good brand promoter should be confident, friendly, energetic, enthusiastic, approachable, patient, professional, and customer-focused. Another important quality is positive communication. A brand promoter represents the company in front of customers, so professional behavior is important. Confidence is also essential when speaking with new customers or presenting products. Another quality is enthusiasm. Genuine interest in the brand and product can make customer interactions more engaging. Patience is important because not every customer will be interested immediately. Another important quality is honesty. A brand promoter should provide accurate information and follow company guidelines when discussing products and offers. Adaptability is also useful because different customers and promotional locations may require different approaches. Now let's talk about qualification and eligibility. Requirements vary depending on the company and promotional campaign. Many brand promoter positions may accept candidates with a 10th or 12th pass qualification, while some employers may prefer graduates. Good communication, presentation skills, customer handling ability, and product knowledge are commonly important. Previous experience in sales, marketing, retail, customer service, or promotional activities can be an advantage. Freshers can also find entry-level brand promoter opportunities. Now, let's look at some common workplaces for brand promoters. They can work in retail stores, shopping malls, supermarkets, electronic stores, automobile showrooms, exhibitions, events, product launch campaigns, consumer goods companies, mobile stores, and other promotional locations. Now, let's discuss the career path of a brand promoter. With experience and strong performance, a brand promoter may progress into roles such as senior brand promoter, sales executive, marketing executive, brand executive, sales supervisor, marketing coordinator, or brand manager, depending on qualifications and experience. Developing skills in sales, marketing, customer relationship management, product presentation, digital marketing, communication, and team leadership can support career growth. Before applying for a brand promoter position, always check the specific job description. Pay attention to the working location, promotional targets, working hours, travel requirements, incentive structure, product category, customer interaction responsibilities, and other job conditions. Let's quickly summarize today's topic. A brand promoter represents and promotes a brand through customer interaction, product demonstration, brand awareness, promotional campaigns, lead generation, sales support, and customer feedback. Important skills include communication, customer engagement, product knowledge, presentation, persuasion, sales, lead generation, and basic computer skills. Important qualities include confidence, friendliness, energy, enthusiasm, patience, professionalism, honesty, adaptability, and customer focus. For people interested in marketing, sales, retail, customer interaction, and brand promotion, a brand promoter role could be a good starting point for a career in sales and marketing. That's all for today's podcast. I hope this explanation helped you understand the brand promoter job description, roles, responsibilities, duties, skills, and qualities. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.